Have you ever imagined? Why is it called a rainbow cookie and not a cake? What was the origin of rainbow cookies? What are rainbow cookies made of? And, what are the other names of rainbow cookies? In this video, we will reveal some interesting facts about rainbow cookies. So watch the video till the end. Rainbow cookies, or rainbow cakes, have been around since the 1900s. They are made of sugar, butter, eggs, and vanilla. People used them to celebrate the Italian heritage and culture. The resemblance between the red, white, and green layers on the flag also goes by the nickname, tricolor. So, what was the origin of rainbow cookies? These cookies have their origins in Italian bakeries. But they have since spread to other bakeries across America and the Mediterranean world. They are considered to be a delicacy and are also known as cannoli or cannolo in Italy and Spain, while they are called rainbow cookies in the United States. If you love to bake, these cookies are an excellent cookie recipe and can be made from scratch with fresh ingredients. Are rainbow cookies actually a New York thing? Ferrara's Rainbow Cookies is a traditional Italian bakery, one of the most authentic Italian bakeries in New York. Founded in 1898 by the legendary baker Giovanni Ferrara, who was born in Naples and immigrated to New York in 1891. It's one of the oldest bakeries in North America, and has been serving New Yorkers delicious cookies since 1892. The composition of Ferrara's rainbow cookies tops the charts. So, here is the answer to why is it called rainbow cookie, and not a cake? First of all, it's not really a cookie. It's more of a triple-layer sponge cake, although some bakeries put so much almond paste into their sponge, that they really aren't a cake anymore. They are baked in large sheet pans, and meticulously cut into those little squares that we all love. To be honest, we are not all into the taste of almond or marzipan, because we have different tastes. And sometimes, the ingredients and flavors in a product may be too attractive for us to resist. Are rainbow cookies popular in Italy? Although some say they don't exist in Italy, but they actually do appear in Italian pasticcerie, usually around Christmas time, with their red and green colors accenting the holiday cheer. What are rainbow cookies called in Italy? They are also referred to as Venetians, a nod toward the fact they are more pastry than a cookie. The holiday season is an important time to eat these festive cookies. Why is it popular in the Jewish community? According to Wikipedia, rainbow cookies are popular in the American Jewish community, and are commonly associated with American Jewish cuisine and can be found at many Jewish delis, kosher eateries, and Jewish bakeries throughout the United States, especially in the northeastern United States. What are rainbow cookies made of? Topped, and bottomed, with a layer of chocolate, each colored layer flavored with almond paste, with thin coats of apricot or raspberry jam in between. Rainbow cookies are essentially made up of egg whites, butter, sugar, almonds, preserves, and salt. So, what are the other names of rainbow cookies? Although often called simply rainbow cookies in much of the continental United States, some local names for this specific variety are Napoleon cookies, 7-layer cake, 7-layer cookies, tricolor cookies, and Venetian cookies. So, now you know why these are called rainbow cookies. To enlighten your friends and family, share this video with them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get exciting facts, tips, and knowledge. See you in the next interesting video.